Hi, I'm Matt with Hubble Home, and we're here today for another homeowner maintenance tutorial. I'm with Larry Williams of Power Enterprises, and today we're going to talk about the sprinkler clock.
I'm Larry with Power Enterprises, and we're going to go over the basics of your sprinkler timer today. That covers the current time and date, program start times, zone run times, and days to water. The clock has multiple other features that you can read up on in your manual if you want to use them. So as you can see here, it's in the run position. The only time your clock won't run is if it's in the off position. If it's on any other setting, it's going to run. First, we have our current time and date. The flashing numbers are where we're currently at, down, up, to set that, and the next button to move through each section to make sure your time and date is set properly. So next we have program start times. This is basically setting your alarm clock for when your sprinklers are going to come on. It's currently set for 6 a.m. So zone 1 is going to start at 6 a.m. Zone 2 is going to start consecutively, then zone 3, then zone 4, however many you have programmed in. So you only need one start time per day, and all your zones will run on that one start time. This one has a start time of 6 in the morning and 4 p.m. We want to take that one off because we only want our sprinklers to run once a day right now. I'm going to show you how you take that off, and basically what you do is you go between 11:50 p.m. and 12 a.m. and that is the off position. So next we have zone run times. This is how long your zones are actually going to run. The zones relate to different sections of your yard. This clock we have has 3 zones in it. Each are programmed for 10 minutes right now. You can increase or decrease what you want them to be. Next we have days to water. When you select the days to water, you have days, which is a custom schedule, which I like to use. It goes to an interval, an odd day, or an even day. We're going to stick with a customized schedule. You push the next button, and then you can turn days on and off with the up-down buttons.
Thank you for joining us today for our video tutorial on how to set your sprinkler clock. Please check back our website for more videos on how to keep your home beautiful.